Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you like me and are afraid to put your stickers on something that you might lose someday? Then you are going to love these sticker keeper books from UFU. This is a great 2-pack of reusable sticker paper in book form. Each book has 32 double-sided pages, so that's 64 pages for you to put your stickers. You can take your sticker off of the backing that they come on and put them in these books. That way you're able to enjoy looking at your entire sticker collection and still be able to use them. I am one of those kids who grew up with a giant sticker collection but was always too afraid to put them somewhere. And this is the perfect solution. So whether you are a sticker collector or maybe you just want to be able to do your scrapbooking easier, you should get these reusable sticker paper books from UFU. You are going to love them, and that is my point of view.